Hey guys, Brett here with Kingstree Plumbing. We're going to get into the video in just a second. Note, there's a number around this video. If you need us, please give us a call. We want to help. Any questions you have, we can get you answered. There's a bunch of these videos, so if your questions aren't answered here, you can look at some of those other videos. Give us a call. There'll be a link or a button around here to jump into a chat with us if that's what you'd like to do. We want to hear from you. We want your feedback. We want to solve the problems you have. You have a fantastic day, and the question we're going to be answering today is, why is regular plumbing maintenance so important? 80% of plumbing disasters can be avoided by regular plumbing maintenance. So it's better to be proactive than to react after your ceiling's down in the basement and all the hardwood's wrecked. Preventative maintenance is something we can do. We can check every year that everything's looking good. You know, as years go on, stuff does deteriorate. A lot of stuff we're installing in homes only has a shelf life of 8 years now. So as we go forward, stuff is just going to be failing more often. So checking this stuff, you know, we can see when a leak is just starting and it's a tiny little scale build up. We can check all the joints, connections and everything that's visible yearly and catch a lot of stuff before it goes wrong. We can advise you on how long to expect stuff to last. So you can budget for, okay, in 5 years, hot water tank's coming up. You know, at the minute, hot water tank can be anywhere around $3,000. You can budget $3,000 over the next 5 years if you want. Be prepared for that. You know, we offer financing options available. You know, we offer easy monthly payments to make it easier for our clients. But if you're someone who wants to budget for that expense, then that's a lot of value there. By identifying problems early on, it can save you a ton of money in the future, a ton of time, money, and inconvenience. When the tub starts leaking through the ceiling, your drywall will cut up like 2 foot all the way around your basement, and you have to have people in and out for months. Home humidifiers going, everything like that. That's a huge inconvenience, even if you are covered by insurance. So there's often little things we can see before they become a big problem. And having at least one inspection every few years is a must. You spend a few $100s, you can have a plumber in, check over everything. This is something we offer for free on all of our service calls. So if we're in your home for a service call, we'll take the time. We like to walk around with the client, answer any questions, check over everything. We take a model and serial number of all of your equipment, so we know what you have. If you have any questions, we know your home. You can say, my furnace is out. We can pull up the exact furnace. Okay, we need this part. We just save time and money there as well. So all of this stuff we're recording, we're looking at every year, and we just get to know the home. Like I say, avoid 80% of plumbing disasters. There's still plumbing disasters, but if something happens, we know exactly that. We know the house, we know what's going on, we know the best way to deal with it. Saves time and money there as well. So preventative maintenance is huge. As we all know, a lot of us like to put stuff off, but preventative maintenance and our programs are amazing as far as value as well. So look into those. There'll be a button or a link around these to actually check our membership programs out, where we take care of, we have packages, small packages, we have packages that take over, you know, check over the sump pump, the furnace, the hot water tank, all of that stuff. Complete peace of mind, you don't have to worry about anything. So check into those. Our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction drives us to go well above and beyond. We want to educate you about your home. You know, a lot of people don't know, you know, we catch stuff like the sump pump not working. It's just because they didn't know, they haven't checked. God knows how long, you know, it hasn't worked for, but could have potentially turned into a big disaster. You'd be surprised how many people don't know how to turn their main water shut off. This is something that you should do if you're away from your home for more than a couple of days. I would recommend turning the main off. So you'd be surprised how many people don't understand how to turn the water off, the basics of the plumbing system. So this is a time for you to get the most out of your plumber, ask all those questions. Let us educate you about everything that's in the home. And, you know, we really take pride in educating our clients. And if you read our 5-star reviews, you'll see a lot of people mention about the service and the education and how they explained everything. So this is something we take great pride in. And overall, part of us giving you the best service is doing that preventative maintenance. So we're always going to urge people to do preventative maintenance, because it is the best way to look after your plumbing system, to make sure you don't get those big hideous jobs and disasters. Stay on top of it. Being proactive is always better than being reactive, like most, you know, areas of our life. Thanks for watching. We look forward to serving you, and give us a call to schedule a check over, or if you're having us out for another reason, we do that for free anyway. So that's just something we can offer. It has a ton of value. We're already in the home doing something. It doesn't take us, you know, 20-30 minutes to run around with our clients and educate them about everything. Give us a call. We look forward to serving you. Have a good day. Bye now.